Hi, Cher with Cher's Craft Attic here. I spent some time looking for something easy I could make to show you guys tonight, and what I found was just some odds and end pieces I had around the house, nothing spectacular, but I did put together this little heart, and you'll see the step-by-step that I took shortly, but I don't know if you can see it. But this is what I made, and again, it's just out of stuff I had around the house. And you can get most of these things at the Dollar Tree. So you will see us making that tonight. Jackson helped me video this so you can watch it. And if you'd like, you can leave your comments below and let us know what you thought of it, what you think we could have done better, different, or, if you like it. And, click like and subscribe if you'd like to down below.